Today I'm going to show you this product. This is a handheld car vacuum cleaner. As you can see, this size is perfect for the cleaning of your car, or you can use it in other spaces too. But let me show you first how it sees. So came with this user manual, with this bag to put it inside. It's resistant. Have this cable to charge your vacuum. This is the USB and Type-C, so you can use it in your car directly or with any charger in home. This is our vacuum. So you have this to put the trash, like a deposit. Have these two accessories that you can use this to absorb, or you can use it with this brush too. And this, you can put it directly in your vacuum that is here. Look, so you turn it on with this button. Here are these lights to show you how is the battery, and you just clean like this, or you can use it without the brush. Use this part. Yes. Or you can use it without the accessory, directly here. So now I'm gonna turn it off, and I'm gonna show you how to clean your filter. You just have to put it off this. Here is your filter, and you can just take off all the trash that you have here. You put your filter again, and you can put an this part in your vacuum again too. So here is the charging part. As I say, you can charge it in your car if your car have this USB charger, or you can use any charger in your home to charge your vacuum. I think that the size is perfect. The color is so beautiful. And let me show you how to clean your car. So as you can see, this is a great accessory for help you to clean your car or some areas of your home too. So I highly recommend it.